Okay, one last brief explanation of a quick little phrase called Es GIBT. Es GIBT in German is their way of saying there is or there are. Now, if you think about this expression in English, it doesn't really make much sense. Like, in that place are, like, something exists in a place. Well, that's really all we use it for, right? Is to describe something that exists. So in German, they say it gives, es gibt. It doesn't really have any meaning with its individual parts, but together it has this expression like there is or there are, and you don't have to specify singular or plural like you do in English, even though you probably don't do that in English. That's okay. So when you're using es gibt, the important thing to remember is that a noun's going to come after it, right? So you say, there is a dog over there, or there are lots of assignments in this class, or something like that. So whatever noun follows es gibt is going to need accusative case. And that's really important because it's one of the situations where you're going to be using accusative all the time. And this makes it important for you to know which nouns have a masculine gender, grammatical gender of course, and how to change either the der word or the ein word to match this. That way you have the right grammar. Now, grammar is important. It's sometimes really key for communication, sometimes not that important for communication. Kind of depends on the context. In this context, if you say es gibt and then you have a nominative noun after, I don't think you're going to cause any confusion. So in this case, it's not going to really interfere with your communication, but it is definitely going to make you sound like someone who doesn't know the language. So be aware of the consequences if you don't know this one. And start thinking about those masculine nouns.